So you're on them internets, the YouTubes, the MSN, the Bing, Yahoo, whatever you're on, and you're looking for answers. That's right. You want to know how much you need to put down on that house. That's right. We're talking about down payments. We're talking about downstroke. We're talking about money down. We're talking about the cheese, the bread, all that kind of stuff that you need in order to buy that house. Well, oftentimes people think they need 20 or 25% down. If you're living in that property, you don't need that much. 20, 25% down, that's more for rentals. That's another video. But for now, we're going to talk about the different types of loans and how much money you need down. In conventional financing, we're really just looking at a minimum of 5%. You can do more than that, but 5% gets you done. If you're not good at math and you're buying a $300,000 house, that's a $15,000 down payment. There are other programs within the conventional world, that's right, where you only have to put 3% down, but you got to see if you qualify. If you're doing 3% down on a $300,000 house, that's $9,000. Basically, all you need to do is take your purchase price, times it by whatever percent you think you want to put down, whether it's 3%, 5%, 10%, 15%, or even 20%. That's going to give you the cash amount that you need to put down. Let's talk about FHA financing. Oftentimes people think that's for first-time homebuyers because it's got an F and an H, but what does that A stand for? I'll tell you what it stands for. It's the Federal Housing Administration. At no time has it ever been just for first-time homebuyers. Anyway, minimum required investment on that is 3.5%. That means that's your down payment, your downstroke, the bread, the cheese. That's right, 3.5%. So if we're doing math again and you take that $300,000 purchase price, you times it by 3.5%, $10,500. That's what you're going to need for your down payment. Again, that doesn't cover closing costs. That's a different video. But down payment, that's what you need. Moving on to the next type of loans, you have USDA and VA. I'm wrapping them both together because they're both 100% financing. If you want loan programs, that's another video. But for now, these two loan programs, they're 100% financing, which means you don't need a down payment, downstroke, bread, cheese, nothing. You just get the wine. Anyways, moving on to the next thing that we want to talk about is where can you get this down payment from? A lot of people think, well, I don't have a pot to piss in. How am I going to come up with a down payment? Well, sweetheart, keep listening because I'm going to tell you. There's a few different ways you can roll with this. You can save your money like a good old patriot, or you can look at getting a gift. That's right. Mom, dad, sister, uncle, whoever is in your life that's close that may have some money, you could ask them for a gift of funds for that down payment, the downstroke. That's right, all of those things. That's where you can get it from. You can also look at your 401k. If you have a retirement, you can borrow out of that 401k if your plan allows it and contribute towards your down payment. The other way you can roll is you can sell something. That's right. If you have a car, you can sell that and you can use that towards your down payment. Lastly, you can use down payment assistance. Not going to go into all the programs with all the states and all that different stuff, but keep this in mind. In a lot of states, the down payment assistance that you're offered, it's actually a second mortgage on your house that you do have to repay at some time. That's not all programs, but that's quite a few of them. So you want to make sure if you're looking at down payment assistance, you know what you're really getting into. Now again, with the source of where this money can come from, I did break down a few different places you can get, but I'm telling you, you can combine all those if you want. I've had buyers where they've sold a snowmobile, got a gift, had some money saved and borrowed from a 401k. Not only that, you don't have to have just one donor for the gift of the money. It can be multiple people. I had another crew, man, I think we had 6 different gift donors. Everybody gave $1,000 or $1,500, whatever it was, and we were able to get them in the house. That's what we got for today. If you have any questions, drop a comment. Appreciate you checking out the video. We'll see you at the next one.